Hazrat Urwa inquired of Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha about the verse, and if you apprehend that you will not be able to do justice to orphan girls. She thereupon said, O my sister's son, it is about an orphan girl who is in the custody of guardian. So the guardian wishes to marry her for her charms and wealth and intended to pay comparatively less dower. So they were prescribed to marry them, says they should be given complete dower with equity. Otherwise, they, the guardians, were ordained to marry the women other than them. She says, later the people asked the verdict of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu whereupon revealed it. And they ask you your verdict concerning women. Say them, Allah gives verdict to you concerning them, and that which is recited to you in the Quran concerning the orphan girls whom you give not what is prescribed for them, and turn your faces from marrying them. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has revealed this command that if an orphan girl is of enthralling beauty and owns wealth, they do have an inclination to marry her and to her lineage. They should pay her complete dower, but if they avoid her due to lack of charms and wealth, they should, avoiding them, marry some other woman. Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha says, if they considering her unfavorable don't intend to marry her, it is not appropriate for them to marry the orphan girl they like. If they intend to marry her, they should do justice to them and pay them their complete dower. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5092.